Hey guys, to transfer money from Binance to Kraken, first find and copy your deposit address on Kraken for a specific cryptocurrency and network you are sending. So I'm gonna go ahead to the portfolio. Let's say I'm gonna select Tether. Right? So you're gonna see under balance, deposit. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit deposit and select your network. Once you select your network, hit I understand and just copy the generated address from the network. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to Binance, hit assets at the bottom right, and select USDT or Tether. So I'm going to select USDT, hit send. You have three options: send to Binance users, on-chain withdraw, like withdraw crypto from Binance to other exchanges or wallets. Just go ahead and hit select or hit the second option. And then what you're gonna do, paste the address. You just copy it, select the network, Tron, okay, and enter the amount. Okay, and once you enter the amount, the minimum amount is $10. So make sure to add the minimum, okay, or make sure the amount is above the minimum, and hit withdraw and confirm via your email address. They will send you a verification email. Then once you verify that this is you who's making the deposit or who's making the withdrawal, afterwards you're gonna wait until Binance sends the money in a matter of minutes, basically. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.